Bonnie.
Hi, Kat. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me today.
Sure. Thank you.
Boy, we've got new phones coming out. I hear Verizon's got a new phone, and we're getting all excited. The only thing is, I think we're getting into bad habits. We don't like to throw them out. There's so many closets and drawers. What happens? What's the danger if we just leave our phones, in our drawer? Why do we have to turn them in?
So you absolutely can leave your phone in the drawer, but the longer it stays there, the less valuable it is if you want to do something called e-cycling or actually getting money for that phone. I went out and I worked with a couple of e-cyclers, and the one I landed on is Tradein.com. You want to make sure that you trade the phone in quickly, like I said, so that you get the most money for it, which is hard cold cash. And moreover, it's important to recycle the phone properly and not just throw it in the trash if the phone is really old and can't be used again. There are precious metals in the phone that are not biodegradable, so handling them properly is important.
And I know there's a lot of donation programs out there. Do I really get enough money for recycling my phone? Tell me about this program. It sounds good.
So every phone, of course, is different, and the condition of the phone definitely affects how much you're going to get for the phone, but absolutely you can get cash for the phone. You go to the website, you enter in the name of the phone, they'll make sure that you're talking about the right model, and they'll give you an estimate as to how much they think they'll give you a check for. Then you print out the FedEx label that they give you, send it to them. Then about 15 days later, you get the check, and you can get anywhere between $30 to $160, all the way up to several $100s if it's a brand new iPhone and somebody was just switching to Verizon, and what do they do with their old phone? So there's definitely cash to be made here, other than just sitting in your drawer.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to collect my phone now.
I know.
Is this program available like in Chicago?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a nationwide website that will ship anywhere that FedEx ships, and they do it properly too. When I was looking into doing this story, it was a concern of some people that they didn't want their private data just going away with the phone. So when looking for an e-cycler, make sure that they have 100% guaranteed data removal in place. And if you want to do the data removal on your own, it can be kind of tricky. So Secure Tradein has this sort of guide. It's a cell phone data eraser guide to walk you through how to erase the data on whatever particular model you have.
And now I'm just curious, what do they do once you trade these phones in? What do they do with the phones?
So depending on the phone and what kind of functioning order it's in, they either recycle the phone, or they refurbish the phone and then resell it, or they donate phones to people in need, like the troops, or just people in need in general.
So they do all the work for me?
They absolutely do, and they give you a check. That's the best part.
Yes, that is. That's just great.
Uh-huh.
Well, gosh, Kat, I'm going to spread the word in Chicago here. I appreciate your knowledge and sharing this with us.
Yeah, absolutely. And I've written a story on my website about it called hightechmommy.com.
hightechmommy.com. Okay. And what is that other site? Your site? And then what's the other site where they're supposed to go?
SecureTradein.com.
Okay. I'll make sure to include that. I thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay.